Subscribe now. HTC is teasing the launch of a smartphone in China next week, on Monday, January 15th. The company has put up a post on Weibo asking fans to save the date, and asking users to keep their eye open. This is all very timely, as prolific tipster Evan Blatt has tipped the exact same date for the launch of the HTC U11 eyes, and leaked images, price, and specifications of the smartphone, formerly rumored as the HTC Harmony. According to Blatt, aka @Evlex, the HTC U11 eyes will launch on January 15th with a price tag of 3,299 Chinese yuans, roughly Rs. 32,400. The photos he has leaked photos also reveal a dual selfie camera setup on the U11 eyes. The smartphone has been shown in black, silver, and red color variants and is expected to come with an IP67 dust and water resistance rating. Let's get to the other leaked specifications. The U11 eyes is said to sport a 6-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2160 pixels, Super LCD 3 display with a possible aspect ratio of 18:9. It is said to be powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 652 SoC, coupled with 4GB RAM. The tweet also suggests this phone will have 64GB of inbuilt storage expandable via microSD card. Apart from that, the HTC U11 eyes, Harmony, is said to run EdgeSense based on Android Nougat. It will have a USB Type-C port, and a 3930 mAh battery under the hood. From the leaked shots, we can see that the phone will sport a single camera on the back, with a fingerprint sensor dimple placed just below it. The phone's display also suggests a launch on January 15th. Renders for the upcoming HTC U12 recently emerged on the internet. Reports suggest that the upcoming smartphone will sport a 4K display, and be powered by a Snapdragon 845 processor. Notably, HTC has also been reported to launch a limited number of smartphones in 2018.